Carpentry project of the month is Mushroom Fairyland. Let's get started. We're going to start out with a block of wood, some nails, some beads and buttons. Idea is to build a mushroom land for your fairy to live in. You choose first your nail, put in what you want the top of your mushroom to be, then choose a bead. You hold the bead. And just add as many mushrooms as you want. Now, once you're done with your mushrooms, you need to add fairy to your fairyland. Let's try and keep it one little figurine per kid. We only have enough for everyone to have one fairy in their fairyland. You just do a little bit of glue. I have mine coming right in here. A little bit of glue on their wings. There we go. Now we have our wonderful mushroom fairyland. They can add as many mushrooms as they like. Please keep the project on the top shelf of the carpentry shed so that you can pull the same project out for the whole month.